Dope.
I saw this somewhere. From what you just said, I saw this somewhere. I don't remember where I saw it. Forgive me for this. But I don't know if it was a sermon or somebody preaching or whatever. It was on Instagram. It was real. It said something along the lines of, people keep trying to learn gifts, but you can't learn gifts because it's a gift. It's given to you. That's right. You have to understand that it's given to somebody else. You can't learn it in the way somebody else is doing or how they're using that gift. Your goal is to figure out what your gift is so you can learn how to use your gift, or in that type of sense. That's right. Do you agree in that type of sense?
Absolutely. Yeah.
So how did you learn, or what steps did you take to, because I know I've seen people have different, like, they picked up different things that allowed them to operate in their gift the way that they do. Like, what were some of the things that you use or you picked up that helped you learn how to use your gift? Because your gift is speaking. Your gift is impacting people with your voice on that stage, letting God download whatever his words into you while you're doing that. How did you learn how to use that?
Yeah. I think typically people who are gifted are the ones that run from the gift. I never wanted to speak. Never wanted to be a coach, never wanted to consult, never wanted to run businesses, ever. So I found myself running from the gift. And I'm crazy because I'm like, yo, I'm running from the victory, but I'm complaining that I don't got no victory. Right? It's like, yo, I'm running from, like, God, I need victory. God's like, I put a Goliath in front of you for a reason. You need to slay that, fam.
What was that Goliath?
That Goliath for me, well, one, unforgiveness against my father. Was never in my life.
So that caused you to not even want to speak?
It caused me not to want to speak. I have no belief in myself. I didn't have that father figure in my life. So now I'm in deep depression. I'm in suicidal ideations. Like, I'm like, yo, like, I don't even want to operating no gift or no calling. And people come to me, hey man, you should be a speaker. Typically that's how it is. Hey man, you should do hair. Hey man, you should cook. Man, your food is good. Nah. Typically the thing you say nah to is the thing that's going to change your life. And that was me. Like, people like, you need to speak. You a leader, bro. I'm like, nah, I'm good on that. So I kept running from it, bro. And the more I ran from it, it's like God brought it closer and closer and closer. It's like, you know.
So was that the only Goliath that you had?
Nah, bro. I had unforgiveness. Another Goliath is imposter syndrome. Another Goliath was lust. I had to kill all these different types of Goliaths in my life, man, because I understood that, hey, if I want to go to a higher altitude, I got to get rid of dead weight. You know what I'm saying?
The reason why I asked that question and brought it back up is because the Bible talks about, of course, David slaying Goliath, but they talk about him having brothers. Goliath having brothers that he had to take on too. Like, many times people think they have to take on and tackle one demon in their life or one issue that they have that's stopping them from learning or operating in their gifts, but it's multiple things that they have to tackle on after that. And I learned that from my spiritual father, which is I love quoting the gems that I get from them. His name Bishop Quest.